Hi, my name is Neil and this is Neil's World of Fun. Today we're going to go to SeaWorld Gold Coast to see some stingrays and maybe even touch one. Here are some stingrays nearby, I think. Oh yeah, there are stingrays nearby. Let's see if we can touch one of them. This black one is headed our way. Let's see if I can touch this. Ooh, almost. I don't want to touch them this time. Let's just see them for now. Ooh, look at this one. So many blue spots. Looks cool, like electric blue. Look at that one. Oh, there's that huge one over there. It looks old. Here's a tiny one. Oop, here comes two. Oh, I touched that tiny one. The tiny one is a blue spotted ribbon-tailed stingray, and that black one you saw earlier is a white blotched river stingray. Wait, come over here. Let me show you something. Over here. The giant one is the white blotched river stingray, while the black one next to it, which looks like a bed, is the eagle stingray, I think it was called. Hey, look. Oh, that was too deep. Never mind. These are the ones from earlier, the white blotched river stingray and the blue spotted ribbon-tailed stingray. Hey, do you want this? Do you want the fish? Oh, it feels so slimy. Let me try it again. With the old age one. It's not headed out. Oh, yeah. Oh, whoa, what? It feels even more slimier. Whoa, you saw the eagle ray? That looks so cool. It's like gliding like a bird. Ooh, here comes the old age one again. Oh, yeah, I touched it again. 3 in a row. Oh, and the small one. 4 in a row. The small one feels less slimy for some reason. I did not clarify what I touched. Hey, look, this one looks like the Starry Night. It's that same white blotched river stingray, but it looks like the Starry Night. And I touched it. This is the pool. This is like the whole stingray pool. This is where the stingrays live. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment if possible, and share this video with your family and friends.